today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227fdw series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro MFP space M227 FDW support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 FDW. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, go underneath the support category. This is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down, select the HP Easy Start printer setup software. Go ahead and download that item in here. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. And now that we have the HP launcher up, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the easy setup guide here. Shouldn't take very long. And then go ahead and either accept or decline optional data, whatever your preference may be. And then just give it some time here to install, and then just follow through the on-screen directions whether you want to have a wired or wireless connection for your printer. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.